Hello and welcome to another update video on Link. I wanted to take a moment and start here on the daily time frame. Obviously, Link quite popular at the moment, quite a lot of price action and one of the best performers today. So we are now testing that $23 level still. We might get a breakout soon, but obviously the condition is that the support levels that we're tracking on the smaller time frames, that these are actually holding. So for now, I'm tracking still here the $23 level as key resistance. As I explained in the previous videos, we have a 5-wave move up from the June low 2023 into the 2024 high, and then a flat correction as an ABC structure. And then from here, we might now see a C wave to the upside, which can unfold as a 1-2-1-2 setup, and then we go higher. But I would not expect a wave 2, another wave 2, until we actually get a break below our micro support levels. What are these levels? I'm going to show them on the smaller time frame in a minute. So there are certain micro support levels which basically need to be broken, right? As an early signal that a top has actually formed. For now, what I'm tracking here, if we zoom in a little bit, is in the yellow scenario that this is a 1-2-1-2 setup, or at least a wave 2 bottomed here in June, and we are in a direct breakout. Whether that means we get a bit of a pullback or not will have to be watched closely, and we monitor then that on the smaller time frames. Or a B wave bottomed here as a triangle, and this is a 1-2 setup. The problem is in the yellow count, this second 1-2 setup, this second wave 1 is quite long, right? So it's a bit too long really for a smaller degree wave 1, but we continue to track it like that for now until we break above a certain level, which I'm going to share with you now on the smaller time frame. Because here on the smaller time frame, what we're tracking is, first of all, you see it here, this micro count, right? We can say this is 5 waves up from the June low. And this key level is at $25.12. So if we get a decisive break above $25.12, then I have to assume that we might not get another wave 2. I have already this support zone on the chart, but that doesn't mean we have to start the wave 2 pullback from here. No, rather, it looks even as if this internal 5th wave up, which should be a 5-wave move, right, could get one more high. It could get one more high. So I am tracking here for potential additional higher low and higher high. And then ideally, it doesn't break decisively above $25.12, or we are likely not going to get another wave 2. I mean, I wouldn't have a problem with a direct breakout. We have talked about that a long time, for a long time, right? This rally to $23 and potentially an upside breakout. So I don't think many people would have a problem. But I also know that a lot of people would be happy with a pullback into this support region between $12.76 and $17.13. So this is a key spot. $23 is key resistance. One more high appears likely, at least as long as we're holding $19. Any break below $19 would be a signal that the wave 2 has actually started. That's a quick update on Link. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.